Hello friends, your trading will be profitable or not largely depends on your broker, meaning the trading app you use. In today's video, I will be sharing the 3 best option trading applications where you can invest and make money by trading in 2024. So stay tuned to the video to learn more. My name is Mahima Sharma and you are watching Tortoise Investors. In this video, I will introduce you to the 3 best trading apps and also discuss the requirements for trading. A special aspect of this video is that I haven't included some big names that often mentioned such as Groww, which is well known in the stock market, Angel One and Paytm Money in the top 3 applications. One reason for not including them is something I will explain in the upcoming video. Before that, if you want to enhance your knowledge about the stock market, so stay updated, please subscribe to the video. Also, comment on the topic you would like to know more about. Currently, our family is so small, so to take it to a millions, please share because such advice video will be available on our channel. So friends, first let me tell you what an options trading need. I mean what features, facilities or services are required in your Demat account or within your trading application. First and foremost, you need charts because while looking at charts, you can estimate patterns. Then you can make decisions about selling and buying. Additionally, there should be indicators in the app such as the RSI indicators and many others that are quite useful in trading. Besides, a very important thing that should be in your app is technology. You will see ahead that I haven't considered any zero brokerage app, and the big reason for that is technology because in zero brokerage app you come across many technologies related disadvantages, which is why people face quite a bit of loss. It happens when you are trading and the apps hang, you lose your rhythm and you incur a loss. Therefore, having technology is very crucial. Before this, I made a video where I detailed inform about type 5 complaints. If you want, you can watch that video. In zero brokerage app, the ratio of type 5 complaint is approximately 87%. That's why I haven't listed zero brokerage app. Now, quickly let me tell you the 4th important things, which is charges. Because in trading, if you want to earn a profit, charges should be low. There are brokers today who charge per lot. ICICI Securities, for example, charges per lot. So here, not only per lot charges should be low, but also for options, there should be percentage-based charges. I mean, there should not be percentage-based charges. Another important thing is the order type. You should have access to cover order, bracket orders, basket orders. If you want detailed information about these, you can comment and I will make a video on that. Along with this, you need the strategy builder tool to create and various strategies for options trading. Additionally, you need software and services, not just making calls where no one answer or providing a solution. That's why the broker I have included here have been tried and tested, and on an average a call is answered within 2 minutes, providing a solution to the problem. Additionally, I am generally talking about if you are looking for a broker for trading, you should check the assets they offer such as currency and commodity for trading, stocks and equity, and a good category apart from this ETF, which many people don't trade but can be beneficial. If you want to know about ETFs, please comment ETF and I will make a video on that. These are approximately 8 to 9 things that I have mentioned. So by keeping these things in mind, you can select a trading app. Besides, there are some other things you should not overlook, like not focusing too much on delivery charges, avoid stock SIP, US stock and SGP. You don't need to worry about building a long-term relationship either. Now that I have shared what to consider and what to not, you can make your own decision. Let's now discuss about the 3 best options trading app. On the 3rd spot is an application called Dhan. However, let me clarify that you won't find any link here and I am not promoting it. I have selected this app based on the 8-9 feature that I have mentioned above. The reason Dhan is in the third position is because it has a specific app for option trading, showing their focus on catering to option trading. Additionally, the app has a rating of 4.4 stars and the brokerage charges per executive order are around 20 rupees. It has approximately 5 lakh downloads. Now, the next two apps I will be talking about have their link in the description, and the reason is these two applications are my all-time favorite. In every video, I provide the link to these two apps. Moving to the second spot, the second best option trading app is Zerodha. If you want to engage in options trading, you can open a Demat account with Zerodha, knowing as one of the best in the industry. I am placing it at the second spot because far out of the money OTM orders are not available here. Apart from that, let's talk about charges. You will need to pay 200 rupees for account opening and 300 rupees for account maintenance. In terms of technology, it is decent and the services are too good. Zerodha call services are excellent due to well-trained employees. Now, at the first spot, the app I highly recommend is Upstox. It holds the highest rating in the industry with a 4.6 star rating, indicating its excellence in options trading. Here, you get the most charts and indicators, and charges including AMC are also free. Account opening is also free. Therefore, I have placed Upstox at the first spot. Now you can make your own decision. Until next time, take care and goodbye.